Hello everyone, this is Rita Root of Creative Atmosphere, and I just wanted to jump in here in this video and just let you know what's going on. I wanted to change the direction of this piece here and turn it into a painting slash collage. Now, the flower that I'm putting in is something that was in one of my old sketchbooks. I like the flower, but never kind of had a purpose for it. So I said that that flower would work good with this picture here. I'm sketching in a heart there, which is going to get covered up partially. But the word light came from a cover of one of photography books, and forward that was actually inside of the book too, but it was FOREWORD, the forward of a book, and I just cut the E out and put forward to give the message of a forward motion, moving out, not looking back, but looking straight ahead and going forward, walking into the light. I actually had quite a lot of fun creating this collage here. And it's the first one I've done on the channel, and hopefully it won't be the last. But you know, you let me know if that's something that you enjoy looking at this creative process here, because this is all experimentation, and I'm actually enjoying that process. And with this yellow here, I'm just trying to break up some of that value and lighten it up by giving it a gradation from one color to the next, and it actually created somewhat of a green when I mixed that yellow in with the black. So I just added more green to the picture in various areas. And on her forehead, I wanted to project a value of light that she's facing, you know, walking into the light, shall I say. That's why I put that highlight on her forehead. Yeah, I really enjoyed doing this collage here, and I just wanted to share that process with you. I wanted to put more value in on her head because I could see that the paint wasn't put in thick enough. So I went in with an acrylic marker and just put in some hairlines with this marker here. This is a nice little set that I experimented with, and I haven't been disappointed. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to do with her hair there. Just put in a few more lines, and this is the finished result of my first painting collage. I'm Rita Rue of Creative Atmosphere. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.